Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to connect with someone on Venmo. Venmo is a great way to send and receive money from friends and family. It's fast, easy, and secure. But how do you actually connect with someone on Venmo? In this video, I'll walk you through the steps of connecting with someone on Venmo. I'll also cover some tips for using Venmo safely and securely. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to split the cost of something with a friend or family member? Maybe you went out to dinner and each of you paid for your own meal, but you wanted to split the tip. Or maybe you're planning a trip with a group of friends and you need to split the cost of the hotel and activities. If you've ever been in this situation, then you know how frustrating it can be to try to split the cost of something with cash. It can be hard to keep track of who owes what, and it can be even harder to make sure everyone gets the right amount of money. That's where Venmo comes in. Venmo is a free mobile app that makes it easy to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split the cost of things like meals, trips, and gifts. How to connect with someone on Venmo. Download the Venmo app. Venmo is available for free on both iOS and Android devices. Create a Venmo account. You'll need to provide your name, email address, and phone number. Verify your account. Venmo will send you a verification code via text message or email. Add a payment method. You can add a credit card, debit card, or bank account to your Venmo account. Search for the person you want to connect with. You can search for someone by their name, email address, or phone number. Send a friend request. Once you've found the person you want to connect with, send them a friend request. Accept the friend request. Once the other person accepts your friend request, you'll be able to connect with them on Venmo. Tips for using Venmo safely and securely. Only connect with people you know and trust. Be careful about sharing your personal information. Use strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. Monitor your account activity. Connecting with someone on Venmo is easy and safe. By following the tips in this video, you can make sure that your Venmo experience is a positive one. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. I hope this video has helped you learn how to connect with someone on Venmo. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them.